Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Test Prep Card SAT Prep. So, like every other exam, you need to follow some rules and regulations in order to appear for the exam. The digital SAT exam is no different. Here, you need to follow some steps in order to appear for the SAT exam. So, in our today's video, we will discuss the steps you should take before the test day. So, without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So the first step is that you have to install the Bluebook application on your device before the test day with the generating and generate admission ticket, and you are only allowed for the digital SAT examination if you bring your admission ticket with you on the test day. And in the meantime, you can also prepare the digital SAT for by using this Bluebook application by using their free resources to practice. And if you have registered for the digital SAT examination and you don't have your own device like laptop, Mac, or tablet, you can also use the school managed devices, but you have to make sure that you have installed the Bluebook application on that device just before the test day. And we have already make a video on how to install the Bluebook application on your device. You can watch that video by clicking on the I button here. And if you find this video useful and informational, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.